My name is Dr. Jeffrey Burnette. I am an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee reconstruction with Southeast Orthopedic Specialists. I see mostly patients complaining of hip and knee pain, which is usually related to arthritis or other degenerative conditions. When you see those patients who have really had their life severely impacted by just horrible arthritis, they've really lost their capacity to function sometimes even in simple activities of daily living. Ones that come in wheelchairs because their arthritis has gotten so bad they can't walk. And once we get their hip or their knee replaced, then they're able to start getting around again without any canes or even walkers. Benefits that patients get from coming to Southeast Orthopedics is that we have a wide array of subspecialty trained surgeons. I have partners who all they do is spine surgery or sports surgery or foot and ankle surgery. So you really get the whole spectrum of musculoskeletal care. If you have other problems, which a lot of times arthritis is going to affect multiple joints, I can have you seen by another specialty surgeon very quickly and usually within the same office or very close by.